Okay, friends. So today what we are going to do YOLO darknet, and you have this error called the CMake error in this co-laboratory. So now what I'm going to do, first we have to go here and change the runtime to GPU because we need GPU. Okay. So we will just set it up with GPU. Okay. And it has been set. And after that, what you have to do, you have to copy this darknet thing. So let me close my face. Copy this. Okay, copy this and get here, put an asterisk sign, just type git clone and you just paste this, control V, and you just do this. So it is actually running, actually it is cloning the repo. So after it has been cloned, now you just type this code and you have to type this pwd to check the present working directory. Okay, it is in the content directory, and now what you have to do, you have to go here and type ls. Okay, so darknet has been downloaded with the sample data is the predefined default folder inside the co-laboratory. If you click this, you can see it. Okay, darknet is over here. So now what you have to do is you will have this error coming when you just download this and delete this. Okay, make file 2 and you just go to the downloads. Okay, and get here, and now what you do is open with, before that I have downloaded a lot of make files. Let me just delete it. Okay, so let this be as make file. Okay, so this will be a clear tutorial in 3 parts. Okay, so open with this notepad and you just go and enable this GPU. I don't know, Kudanan is there. Okay, so let's save this GPU. Okay, and we are going to do detection in GPU, then close this, then get back to the Colab, click this. Okay, click this, and after everything has been selected in this format, for upload click this. So in this you just take this make file. Okay, so now the make file is over here, and if you want to see it, what you can do is you can just type cat shift key make file. Okay, if you just type it, it will show you the contents inside the make file. Okay, so cat no such file or degree as cat. Okay, no problem, this command is not working. Okay, or else you can use this percentage symbol. With any one symbol it will show up. Okay, okay, there is no file such as this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to get into that directory. So say this percentage symbol cd darknet, and we have to type pwd and this pwd to find the present working directory, and you just type this. Okay, so now we are in the darknet and the make file is over here. So let us download it again. Okay, so let's check it, check once again for whether the thing is correct. Okay, GPU is enabled. Now everybody knows that this important thing I have to tell you in make file, because we are using a cloud GPU, nobody is interested in this thing. So this is the GPU architecture. You can only get this on AronDK. Okay, you have to go to this site and you have to go and type Google and type AronDK. Aeron DK GPU architecture, and when you just type this, it will give you the different kinds of architectures, SM code architectures, and it will tell you what all to do. Okay, you can go and type this. You have to get this and copy this, because in Colab you are using a different kind of thing. So for example, I will show you NVCC VERSION. So this is an CUDA version this the thing is using. So NVCC is not defined. Okay, so NVCC is supposed to be defined, so it has to be with this symbol. Okay, so you have a 10.1 CUDA compiler, and another thing is NVIDIA SMI, NVIDIA SMI. You just click this, and you can see that the GPU, what kind of GPU this is, about 11 GB GPU with CUDA 10. Okay, with the driver of 440. So these are the drivers inside it. So now what we have to do is we have to set it, because we have to run the make file. So we get here, and again you just type ls. So this has to show. Okay, the present working directory has also show. So you just type pwd. So this is the present working directory inside the darknet, and our make file is over here. So now we are going to make it. So let's type make. If this doesn't work, we have to go through certain things. Okay, it is compiling now, there is no problem. Okay, let's see. At the first time it had the problem. If not, what you have to do is you have to go here and take this guy's advice. Okay, get here and you have to install YOLO v3 git clone, and you have to give the path of this thing, and you have to follow this thing. Okay, follow these things, and echo should be done. Echo is nothing but setting the environment variables here. Okay, it is just compiling. Okay, as you can see, the GenCode architecture is also given. Okay, now so far no problem. So today what we will do is we will make a custom object detection. This is the part 1 of the video, or I will just combine all the video and I will just put it. Okay, so let it run. So it has been finished, the CFG files. We have to set it now. Before that we have to download the YOLO weights. It will take some time because lots of them are downloading it. Okay, it will take a lot of time, more than 1 hour. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have already downloaded the weights, so it is over here. I'll just upload it. So I think it's in the folder of darknet master in the pictures. So get to the Colaboratory and get it over here and upload. Okay, and you have to get to the darknet master pictures and darknet master, go to the YOLO v3 weights and upload it. So far it has not shown any error. Okay, it has not shown any error, so there will be no problem. Okay, YOLO v3 weights is actually uploading. Okay, and also it is downloading. Okay, so let it do that. So I have just right clicked it and click the upload, and I have just uploaded this. So wait for some time, it is just uploading. Okay, so the uploading took long time, so I am just going to just download this wget as YOLO v3 weights. So let's see how much time it's taking. So you just have to always type this exclamation mark. Okay, so it is starting to download somewhat fast. It's going to take 17 minutes or 18 minutes, I think so. So let it take its own time, because everybody is downloading it, no? So it is taking a lot of time. So I think we have made some mistakes. So let's retry to just stop this and re-download it again. Delete this also. So no more. So let's re-download it. It's taking a lot of time. Because you have to check the path also, because we have checked the path and the path is nearly in this content darknet, so there will be no problem. Okay, so it will show in here after downloading. I don't know why it is taking a very long time. And okay friend, the YOLO weights has been downloaded. So now we have to click the code again. So it will show. Now what you have to do is you have to type ls and see whether the YOLO weights is over there. Okay, YOLO weight 338 is there. Then again come here, then you have to go here and you have to take this CFG file. Before tweaking the CFG file, in this what they have given is YOLO v3 CFG. So you have to go here, go to the CFG file. Okay, CFG file, and you have to search for YOLO v2 CFG is there. YOLO v3 CFG is over here. You just download it, keep it, open it, show it in the folder, open it in the text. Okay, it's very, just open it in the text. Okay, and now you can just subdivision batch as 1 416 416. So these are the CFG files. So let it be in of this format. But if you have a very low graphics card, no, you have to change the subdivisions and batch. So now what we can do is, this is enough. So we'll go here, copy this and get here and just paste this. Okay, so just paste this. So what this is saying is that you have to detect the folder dog as dog in the image. So you give an exclamation mark and you just run it. So you can see that the runtime is in GPU, so it has to take fast. So let's see how much time it is taking. So it has taken very good time. Okay, it has taken only, it is about very small time in nature. So like this, what you can do is you can give it. So again, if you just compile it, it will compile it very fast. So this is how you have to run YOLO on this thing. So if you want to see the image, you can go here and see the image. Okay, you can download the prediction. The prediction will be on here. Okay, the prediction would be on here, on out of the folder. Okay, the prediction will be created on the out of the folder. So you can see this. Okay, so it has predicted bicycle, cat and dog. Okay, so let's see the output. Results are over here. Okay, results should be over here. So it will create it. So this is how you have to compile it. So it's not compiled with OpenCV. OpenCV is not needed because only for uh, image detection we need it. So it's just taking a very decent amount of time. Okay, it's just taking a very little time to compile with GPU. So another thing I have to say you is this. Uh, you can go here and you can go to this projects where you have this haunting images. Okay, haunting images. So common data text, Pascal VOC, procedural city generation, ray tracing, and not this one, darknet. So installing darknet, this is for image classification. You can also do it for image classification. So we'll go for nightmare. Okay, we'll go for nightmare. And for this, what you have to do is you have to download the weights. Okay, you have to download the weights. So go here. So open in another tab. So BCCG covenant. So it is taking a lot of time. Okay, it's taking a very long time. It is just taking a very long time. So we cannot do this today. Okay, this would convert this graph into OptiIllusion one. Okay, into a nightmare. So you can just see it over here. Okay, how this is it. Okay, this is how it will convert. So you have to download and upload this, so it will take time. So this is our YOLO tutorial for today. So we'll do a custom object detection tomorrow. I'll tell you how. Okay, thank you.